Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dry black beans. First, proper preparation is key to delicious results. Soaking dry black beans drastically cuts down on cooking time and can make them easier to digest. For every 1 cup of dry beans, you will want to use about 3 cups of water for soaking. Let them soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours, to ensure they rehydrate fully and evenly. This simple step makes a big difference. After soaking, drain your beans and give them another quick rinse. Then, transfer the rinsed beans to a large pot and cover them with fresh water, using a ratio of about 3 cups of water for every 1 cup of beans. Bring this mixture to a strong boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let them cook, uncovered, for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours until they reach a soft, creamy texture. For a much quicker cooking process, a pressure cooker is an excellent choice. Place your soaked, rinsed beans into the pressure cooker with a ratio of about 1 cup of beans to 2 cups of fresh water. Secure the lid and cook on high pressure for 20 to 25 minutes. Allow the pressure to release naturally for at least 10 minutes, or until the float valve drops. This method saves significant time. To truly elevate your black beans, adding flavor is essential. Incorporate aromatics like 1/2 of a medium onion, 2 whole garlic cloves, and a bay leaf right from the start. Remember to add salt only after the beans have softened, typically in the last 15 minutes of cooking, to ensure they remain tender. A pinch of ground cumin or a dash of chili powder can also add wonderful depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.